Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I want to show you one way that you can get started publishing on Amazon with low content books. Um, by the end of this video, I'm going to direct you there. So if we were sitting down to coffee, and I have mine right here, you said, Christy, how would I get started on Amazon? I would say, okay, I haven't done Amazon for a long time, but I have an online friend and I'm an affiliate for her. And she does this. She has sold over 100,000 books on Amazon. So who would you learn from? You learn from somebody who's doing it, actively doing it. Her name is Michelle Brubaker. And I'm going to make myself smaller here. Okay. This is her story, and this is just one of her offers. She is a KDP publisher. I am too, but I haven't done it in a long time. So when I found Michelle, I thought, wow, okay, she is someone in the trenches doing it right now. She published her first picture book, and it's pictures only, no text, on October 30th, 2022. Okay, so I'm recording this in August 2024. So 2 years later, this has become her third highest selling book on Amazon, and it still is today. And she gave me access to her course. I went through it, and I can't reveal her sales strategy because it's hers. But I have to tell you that if you're on Amazon and you're doing any kind of low publishing, you need someone who's doing it, and you need to know how to start. You need to know what kind of books to make, and she's going to tell you. Because if you just throw up picture books on there, you may or may not be successful. So you really need someone to guide you, and that's what she does. Okay, so she said it got me so excited because she can spend a couple of hours creating a brand new book, and she often sees sales right away. Again, no sales online are guaranteed, but this is what is happening for her. These paperback books sell steadily throughout the year, but as you might expect, Christmas is her biggest selling season. It is for everyone. So in August, you still got time to get some books up and see what happens. Here's why I love publishing books like these. Quickly create multiple picture-only books in just one day. No writing or editing required. And I would say when I was doing books on Amazon, the more I did it, the faster I got. Because once you learn how to upload it, it gets easier and easier. No complex design work necessary. It is possible to get sales year round. Again, no sales are guaranteed. And peak sales during fourth quarter possible because we all buy like crazy for Christmas. So you might be thinking you have everything to know, but after going through her course, there is a certain group of people that she suggests this works really well for. And I can't give away her, her sales tactics. So I just would say, if this interests you at all, making a picture only book is probably the easiest way to get started on Amazon, especially with someone who is doing it right now. Because Amazon, like all other platforms, changes every year. So you need to follow and go through these steps with someone who's doing it right now. And that's what Michelle's doing. She said they're picture books. It's really simple. The concept is simple. And after going through her course, I can see why she has an audience, a specific audience that this works for. So I am an affiliate for her product, meaning if you buy this through my link, I will get a commission. So if you do decide, hey, this looks interesting, I will also you just email me and I will send you this free, really cute printable books to read this fall. Really cute, huh? So it's like gift with purchase. when I go get my makeup, I get gift with purchase. So I love gift with purchase. I mean, who doesn't? So Amazon is an awesome place to get started, but there is a lot of competition. So you have to know what you're doing. You can't just put books up there and expect them to sell. Okay. You need somebody who is putting books up and is doing it successfully so she can show you the best possible route to doing this. Okay. You can learn how to publish your own picture only book right now. And these are some examples of picture only books, right? So simple, so simple. And she shows her results here. She's been publishing books since 2015. She publishes coloring books, journals, planners, workbooks, activity books for kids and adults, puzzle books, cutout books, educational puzzle books, login tracking books, picture books, and many, many more. She has hundreds of titles. Okay. And she sells lots of books. So you need, first of all, you could have hundreds of titles and make zero sales. You need to have hundreds of books and follow someone who's doing it successfully to give you a better opportunity at being successful. Okay. So if this interests you, hit that buy now button, and I'll put my email below this video, and then just send me your receipt and I'll send you this cute little books to read this fall printable. So, I mean, really, you could just hop in there. You could go on YouTube. You could spend hours and hours watching people. But this is so valuable because Michelle's course, and I've been through it, is just several videos like start here, do this, do this, do this. So if you're like super busy, you could just do one video a day for a week. And then within a week, you could set, a challenge that I'm going to have my first book up within a week on Amazon. I mean, you could be a published author, even if it's just a picture book with your name on it. Okay. And here's the other thing. You don't want to put your name on it. You don't want anybody to know what you're doing, because if it doesn't work out or whatever, you can use a pen name. Just like in the good old days where people said, pick a pen name. So just choose a name, and Cindy Smith, whatever it is, Bob Jones, whatever, and put it on there. And you don't have to, you can do this anonymously. And who knows? I mean, but wouldn't it be awesome to have your first book listed on Amazon? You would be an Amazon publisher. And it is just pictures like these. Okay. So if that interests you, go to this page, listen to Michelle's video, and it's a very small investment, okay, to get your first book listed on Amazon if you follow the steps. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to help. Talk to you soon. Bye now.